Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about ivrmag.top reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys. You can take a look here, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including vertical mixer, inclined treadmill, automatic induction stainless steel trash can, countertop ice maker, portable ice making machine, and outdoor elliptical bike, little giant leather, bed portable laptop disc, and various accessories. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. You can see they are offering these products on at the affordable prices. Now talking about the payment options, so let's take a look at the payment options. So they have not provided the exact payment method option, but when you will click a particular product, you will get to know about that the only mode of payment which is available on the site is PayPal. You can make the payment via PayPal only. And apart from that, guys, the bulky buy option is available. You can add more options or more quantity here, you can see, which is a negative sign. And apart from that, the product description is very limited. They have provided list description of products, which is again a negative sign. Now talking about the shipping policy, let's visit the shipping policy page to know more about the delivery information. This is the shipping policy page, guys, and in this column they have mentioned the delivery time for various countries including North America, that is United States and Canada, which is 10 to 14 business days, and for other countries it will be 12 to 7 business days. For Germany, Ireland, United Kingdom, it will be 10 to 14 business days. So rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience, guys. They have mentioned the entire country names along with the delivery time. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. And yes, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. The site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But guys, talking about the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 30th of January 2021. So guys, this is 1 month old website. This is a newly launched website and this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to define its legitimacy, and this domain age factor creates a confusion regarding the legitimacy of the site. Apart from that, no about us section is available on this site, guys. You can see they have not provided the about us information on the website, which is one of the biggest drawbacks of the site. Now talking about contact details, let's check out the contact us page to know more about the contact details. So you can see they have provided the suspicious contact details including email address. They have not provided the company's official address details and contact number, which is a bad sign. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, guys, which is again a negative sign. And talking about the return policy of this site, let's check out the return policy page. So guys, you can see they have provided unrealistic or strict refund or return policy. They have mentioned 14 days of return policy. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about ivrmeg.top reviews, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the official website nor on the internet, which is a negative sign. And guys, this site is not popular as the trust index score of the site is too low, which is 1 or 2%. This is a negative sign. Apart from that, the short expectancy domain makes this site quite suspicious. Guys, apart from that, the site has used the cropped images on the website and used the content of other websites as well, which is one of the biggest characteristics of a scam website. And yes, in this final conclusion, this website is a suspicious and scam website. You should stay away from such type of scam websites, guys. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time guys. Have a good day.